So this video is the startup procedure for the boat at Lindbergh Lake. Before you start, make sure that this vent is unscrewed so the gas can breathe. Next step, primer bulb. Give it 3 or 4, 5 good squeezes until it becomes pretty firm. Ensure that this switch is in the run position and that the tether is connected. It's hooped through the switch, so when it's off it pulls out. If you put it back in, just make sure it comes all the way up into the run position. Make sure that you're in neutral. Pull the choke all the way out. Turn the throttle to the indicator to the choke position. Once all that's achieved, give it at least a few, 2 or 3 good hard pulls. I just shut it off on purpose for the reasons of this video. Once it's running, you'll want to push this choke about halfway in and turn this throttle towards the turtle just ever so slightly. You may have to feather the throttle and the choke together until the thing warms up a little bit. Once it's warmed up, push the choke in all the way, and it should sit there and idle by itself. If for some reason you think you've flooded the motor, push the choke all the way in before you start it. Turn the throttle all the way to its 100% throttle. Give it a few good hard pulls, but keep in mind, doing this, you're going to have to be really quick about throwing the throttle back down to its lower speed as soon as it actually starts, because it will over rev. This button here on the end of the tiller is the kill switch. If at any time you get nervous or whatever, just push that and it'll shut the motor off. This tether is for you, whoever's driving the boat. You should have this attached all the time in the unlikely event you get thrown from the boat, because even at a dead idle, this boat will move about 2 miles an hour through the water, and once you're in the water, the boat will be far enough away you won't be able to catch it. So just wear this if you're running the boat. If you fall overboard, it pulls the tether and it throws the switch into the off position and it will kill the motor.